Taking a walk. Taking a walk is one of the most peaceful activities I do every day. Whether I walk around my neighborhood or take a stroll in the park, walking helps me clear my mind and get some fresh air. I usually walk in the morning or in the evening when the weather is nice. Sometimes, I bring my dog with me, and he enjoys walking beside me. The sound of birds singing and leaves rustling in the wind always makes me feel calm. Taking a walk also helps me stay healthy because it's a great way to exercise without feeling tired. I like to walk at a slow, steady pace, enjoying the scenery around me. Sometimes, I see people walking their pets or children playing outside. It's nice to greet them and smile as we pass each other. Walking also gives me time to think about my day and make plans for the future. It's a time when I can enjoy being alone with my thoughts. I also like to walk to the store or to a nearby cafe to get a treat. It's a simple activity, but it makes me feel good. After a long day of school or work, taking a walk helps me relax and let go of any stress. I think walking is an activity everyone can enjoy because it's free, easy, and good for the body and mind.